Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how do you troubleshoot a missing main navigation menu in Shopify. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you're having problems with your Shopify store and your menu here, like for example, my store here does not have any navigation, well, there are a few places where you need to check. Now, the first place that you may want to check here is going to be your actual main menus or your menus. So to do that, what you need to do is you want to access one of the following. So you may want to go to content, you want to go to menus, and you just need to make sure that your main menu here or whatever menu you're currently using actually has content or has menu items on it. Like for example, if you want to use like a specific page, you can go and click on add menu item here, and you can go and just add a link or search for a page that you just built before, and basically that would redirect the user to that specific page. But the thing with this one, already have menu items here, it should be visible. So what do you need to do next? Now the next thing that you want to do is you want to go to online store here, and you want to go ahead and click on the option that says edit theme, and you want to make sure that an actual menu has been selected for your menu here. So in this case, let's go and just add this section here, and you want to go click on that section in our header here, and you want to go and click on menu. And inside menu, you want to go and click on the menu option at the property section or at the right panel here. Now you want to go and click on select, and you want to select the proper or the appropriate menu that you want to use. Let's go and choose main menu here, and that should now be visible. Now you can go and click on save, and that should basically make our menu now visible in our store. Now, again, this depends on how you set this up, and there might be additional items in here. But what if nothing happens and you're still having problems and that's already set up? Well, the thing is, this one is depending on the apps that you're using. Like for example, if you're using an app to, let's just say, add some fancy buttons into your menus or whatever here, well, you may want to try uninstalling those apps. So in this case, you want to go to your settings here, and you want to go and choose apps, and you want to go ahead and just basically uninstall any app that you're not currently using. Now, from then, or the apps that you just recently installed. Sometimes apps or third-party apps installed into your Shopify store can actually hinder certain functionalities. So if that's the reason here, and just try loading your web page here, and that actually resolves the issue by uninstalling those apps, well, the problem is the actual app. So you may want to look for an alternative app. But in this case, that's about it. So, for this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.